You have a product and you want to make sure that you are providing the best customer experience to your users. You want to be able to collect key metrics so that you can identify the key areas of improvement for your product. And doing that is not always easy. That is where Zonka Feedbacks come into play. And collecting feedbacks has never been easier with their new AI features. So here I am on the dashboard of Zonka Feedback and I can go to Add Survey to create a new survey. Apart from templates created by experts and starting from scratch, you now have the option to create using AI. So this is the feature that I'm most excited about. And here's why. I can simply tell the AI what key metrics that I want to collect and what sort of products or ideas that I have that I want in the customer survey, and it will automatically create a complete survey for me so that I can collect that key metrics from my users. Let's give it a spin. Create a survey to gather feedback on the new search feature that I've rolled out on my website. I want to know how satisfied the users are. I also want to know if they'll recommend the new search features to others and the things that we can improve in our search feature. We are a content marketing and content management system company. Adding a description about your company helps AI get more context on what the type of survey it has to create. They also have some starter ideas that you can choose from. And if you don't have any ideas for a survey right now, you can choose one of the ideas to get started. I'll click on Generate with AI and let's see what the AI cooks for us. And now I want to choose how I want to distribute my survey. So the two options that I mainly go for are website and web apps because that is what my product is related to. But you can also send them in emails. So if you are running email campaigns for collecting customer feedback, that is a great option. If you have a mobile app, you can use the SDK, integrate it, and simply put in the code and it'll work. We'll start out with the website and web app. I want it to pop up and I want it to slide up from the bottom. I can see a preview of how it'll work and the key questions that are there. I'll click on next and I'll save it to the default workspace. I'll just go with the default options. I'll copy the code that they provide me. This is easier than even integrating Google Analytics because you just take this code snippet, put it in the head tag or the body, and it'll just work. I have this SvelteKit project and I have to integrate the survey generated by AI into it. So I'll just go into my project and put in the code in the head tag so that the survey shows up as soon as the user visits that particular page. I have the survey on a particular route, which is the search route. Let me just try and open it up. Go to the route specified and I can actually submit the entire survey right from over here. Because why not? Since the customer has now filled in the survey, we can go back to the Zonka Feedback dashboard, refresh, and we can see that one customer has actually filled in the review. That is the survey, and we get all of the data associated with it. That is how the customer feels. Right now, the customer is neutral. We want to get them to positive. Any sort of feedback that the customer has actually submitted. All of this data can be used to improve your customer experience, your product, as well as produce new content to market your ideas and your product itself. And that is how easy it is to now collect information and feedback from your customers. You can also use an iframe or go for an email embedding code. Everything will work. All of the data will be collected right in the dashboard itself. You can analyze the data, view the sentiment, view the trends as well. And if you want to learn more about how to actually trigger automation flows and build custom workflows for your company using customer feedbacks as the trigger point, then watch this video over here.